poison, as it is absent of any nutritional value. It deprives the body of its vitamins and nutrients so it can be digested. Refined sugar has been credited with cancer cells. Not so sweet after all. 2. Soda pop. Soda pop gives that refreshing taste caused by all the sugars, colors, and chemicals that add acid to the body. All these can encourage the growth of cancer cells. A type of sugar used in sodas, namely fructose, was linked with pancreatic cancer, according to a certain study. Methylimidazole in soda was also studied to be a potential carcinogen. This chemical turns colas and soft drinks to a delicious brown hue. 3. Processed meats. Additives and chemicals are added to meat to preserve its shelf life and improve its flavor. The World Health Organization, after reviewing 800 studies, concluded that processed meats are indeed carcinogens. Eating 4 pieces of bacon daily raises the risk of getting colorectal cancer by 18%. Meats of this type are not sold fresh and include sausage, bacon, ham, turkey, sausage, and hot dogs. 4. Red meat. The World Health Organization found out in their studies that red meat is another probable cancer-causing agent in humans. According to them, colorectal, prostate, and pancreatic cancers have links from eating red meat. Enjoying a few scraps of meat occasionally is very different from having a daily dose of red meat. 5. Microwave popcorn. Although popcorn is thought of as a healthy snack containing potassium, iron, and fiber, but the chemical that lines the microwavable bag decomposes and forms a compound linked with liver and pancreatic cancer. Another chemical for its flavoring can cause another condition called bronchiolitis obliterans. Cooling the popcorn before opening it decreases the chance of developing it. 6. Dirty fruits. Fruits undergo a bath of pesticides in the fields. Some of these pesticides have been linked to cancer. In the Environmental Working Group's Shopper's Guide to Pesticides in Produce, apples, peaches, grapes, and strawberries contain the highest concentrations of pesticides and made it to the list of the dirty dozen fruits. 7. Potato chips. Potatoes contain a cancer-causing chemical that's activated with high-temperature cooking. The chemical, acrylamide, is found in plastics and papermaking as well as in cigarette smoke. The National Toxicology Program and the International Agency for Research on Cancer termed it as a probable human carcinogen. 8. French fries. If French fries and potato chips are from potatoes and potato chips are termed as a probable human carcinogen, then French fries are cancer-causing too. The acrylamide activation at high temperatures is probably not the worst case of variations of potato foods. Potatoes are also on the dirty dozen list of fruits and veggies, so avoid them while they're hot. 9. Farmed salmon. Salmon tastes good and is a source of omega-3, but canned salmon sounds much better than farm-raised salmon. Overcrowding of farm-raised salmon to raise a volume of fish leads to health issues. One observation is their color is not their natural one. Therefore they're fed with chemicals. To have a reddish-pink Q meat, always search the labels to see where the salmon comes from. 10. Canned tomatoes. Some countries use a chemical named bisphenol A or BPA for the lining in the cans of tomatoes and other canned foods. It is banned in other countries because of its toxicity. Tomatoes are acidic and can cause the BPA to leach out of the lining of the cans to the tomatoes. BPA has been linked to several issues like heart diseases, diabetes, and cancer. Glass jar lids also contain BPA, so it cannot be used as a substitute. Fresh, organic tomatoes might be the safest choice. 11. Hydrogenated oil. Liquid oil that is chemically processed to turn solid is called hydrogenated oil. It is used to increase the food's shelf life. When ingested, these alter the structure of human cell membranes. The doubled risk of breast cancer in women is caused by high levels of trans fat. Baked foods, deep-fried foods, margarine, etc. are those that contain trans fat. 12. White flour. Refined or white flour is natural flour that is stripped of all its nutrients. This type of flour undergoes bleaching where chlorine gas is used. White flour is also high on the glycemic index, meaning blood sugar and insulin levels spike after eating. There is evidence that cancer-promoting effects are found in the process. A study stated that refined carbohydrates were linked to a 220% increase in breast cancer among women. 13. Alcohol. Damaged livers from alcohol abuse should not be a surprise. Other liver diseases include liver poisoning and liver cancer. Since 1988, the International Agency for Research on Cancer listed alcohol as a cancer-causing agent. Scientists have also found out that cancers are more common among heavy drinkers. Other cancers such as in the mouth, throat, breast and bowels are developing due to drinking too much alcohol. 14. Pickles and other salted food. Pickles are cucumbers that went through the pickling process of fermentation in salt, vinegar, and seasoning. They contain probiotics, which is good. However, they also contain too much sodium that makes pickles get linked to stomach cancer. A team of doctors in Turkey found out that gastric cancer patients ate a lot of pickles than cancer-free patients. 15. Genetically modified organisms. GMOs. A study showed a link between genetically modified corn and cancer. Genetically modified organisms are living organisms, mostly plants that have their DNA or genetic material artificially manipulated to deliver the benefit of the best produce and to keep them protected from insects. They are more prevalent in markets around the country. The health effects of these products have not conclusively been determined on humans, but it has been sensed to be harmful through time. 16. Artificial sweeteners. High doses of sweetener in rats, according to saccharine studies, showed that it caused cancer. In 2005, a study showed that rats which ingested aspartame, a popular artificial sweetener, developed lymphoma and leukemia. These rats, however, ingested loads of diet soda a day, roughly between 8 to 83 cans. 17. Diet products. Processed foods that have high levels of sodium, artificial flavors, and artificial colors to make them more appealing, are linked to cancer. Chemicals in products such as diet sodas or low-fat dairy. Dairy products have been linked to several types of cancers, heart problems, and other serious and potentially lethal health issues. 18. High-fat foods. Fats and cancer are linked limitedly, but eating foods high in fat can cause other health problems which could eventually lead to cancer, primarily obesity. Obesity increases the risk of bowel, pancreatic, breast and kidney cancer, while a low-fat diet can help you maintain a healthy weight and avoid this risk. 19. Animal-based foods. Cancer survivors need to stay clear and avoid eating non-organic animal-based products. Numerous research studies suggest that animal-based products are cancer cells' favorite food, which makes them grow and develop. If one wants to live long without meat, maybe it's time to be vegan. 20. Smoked meat. Red meat and fish are typically smoked food. The smoking process retains large amounts of hazardous tar, known to be a carcinogen. Smoked meats are high in sodium and probably linked to bowel cancer. Barbecued foods should not be burned on the outside as this can cause cancer as well. 21. Dairy products. Increased risk of ovarian and prostate cancers, and possibly even breast cancers may be linked to the consumption of milk, cheese, and other dairy products. 21. Dairy products. Further research is needed for the relationship. The Cancer Research UK indicates that milk helped decrease the risk of bowel cancer because of its calcium amount. These were all the cancer-causing foods that you should avoid. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. To protect your brain from cognitive decline. From spices that pack a punch, to essential vitamins your brain craves, teas that boost mental clarity, and finally, a complete diet to ward off Alzheimer's, this is your ultimate guide to brain health. First up, we'll count down 8 powerful spices that have been shown to prevent Alzheimer's and dementia, each offering unique benefits. Stay tuned till the end, because spice number 1 just might be the most important one of all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Number 8. Black pepper. Starting off our list at number 8 is black pepper, a staple in kitchens worldwide. This common yet powerful spice contains piperine, an active compound that has been shown to enhance brain function. Piperine works by increasing the production of serotonin and dopamine, 2 neurotransmitters that play crucial roles in mood regulation and cognitive function. Additionally, black pepper enhances the absorption of other beneficial compounds, such as curcumin from turmeric, making your meals not only tastier but also more nutritious. Studies have suggested that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of black pepper can protect brain cells from damage and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Incorporating black pepper into your diet is simple. Just a sprinkle on your dishes can make a significant difference. Whether you're seasoning your salads, soups, or main courses, this versatile spice adds a subtle heat and a depth of flavor that enhances any meal. So, don't underestimate the power of black pepper in boosting your brain health. Number 7. Cinnamon. Number 7 on our list is cinnamon, a spice renowned for its sweet and warm aroma. Beyond its delightful flavor, cinnamon offers significant neuroprotective properties. This spice contains several potent antioxidants, including cinnamaldehyde and polyphenol, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Studies have shown that cinnamon can improve cognitive function and enhance memory. It does this by promoting neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Additionally, cinnamon may help inhibit the buildup of tau protein tangles, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Sprinkle it on your morning oatmeal, add a dash to your coffee, or mix it into smoothies for a delicious and health-boosting treat. You can also use cinnamon in baking and cooking, giving both sweet and savory dishes a wonderful flavor boost. By making cinnamon a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy its brain-boosting benefits while savoring its rich and comforting taste. So, spice up your life with a touch of cinnamon and support your brain health. Number 6. Nutmeg. Coming in at number 6 on our list is nutmeg, a spice with a warm, nutty flavor that's often used in baking and holiday dishes. But nutmeg is more than just a tasty addition to your favorite recipes. It also offers several brain-boosting benefits. This aromatic spice contains myristicin and masilignin, compounds that have been shown to protect brain cells from damage and improve cognitive function. Nutmeg's neuroprotective properties help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can contribute to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, nutmeg has calming properties that can help reduce stress and anxiety, further supporting overall brain health. You can add a pinch of ground nutmeg to your morning coffee, sprinkle it on warm milk before bedtime, or mix it into smoothies and baked goods for a flavorful boost. Nutmeg pairs wonderfully with both sweet and savory dishes, enhancing the flavor while providing health benefits. Number 5. Rosemary. At number 5, we have rosemary, a fragrant herb that's not only a culinary favorite but also a powerful brain booster. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as carnosic acid, which can protect brain cells from damage and improve overall brain health. One of the most fascinating aspects of rosemary is its ability to enhance memory and concentration. Studies have shown that even the aroma of rosemary can significantly improve cognitive performance and mental clarity. This is because rosemary's essential oils help increase blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients that support cognitive function. Use fresh or dried rosemary to season meats, roasted vegetables, and soups. You can also brew rosemary tea for a refreshing and brain-boosting drink. For an extra cognitive kick, try placing a few sprigs of rosemary in your workspace or using rosemary essential oil in a diffuser. Number 4. Turmeric. Number 4 on our list is turmeric, the golden spice that's been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties. The star component of turmeric is curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. Curcumin has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, which means it can directly benefit brain cells. One of the key benefits of curcumin is its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Curcumin also promotes the clearance of amyloid plaques, which are harmful accumulations that disrupt brain function in Alzheimer's patients. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is simple and versatile. Add a pinch of turmeric powder to your smoothies, sprinkle it over roasted vegetables, or mix it into soups and stews. You can also enjoy a warm cup of golden milk by blending turmeric with milk and a touch of honey. For optimal absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that enhances curcumin absorption. Number 3. Cloves. Sliding into number 3 on our list is cloves, a spice known for its strong, aromatic flavor and impressive health benefits. Cloves are rich in eugenol, an antioxidant compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. Eugenol helps combat oxidative stress, a major factor in cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Cloves also contain other beneficial compounds such as vitamins and minerals that support overall brain health and improve cognitive function. Additionally, cloves have been found to enhance memory and protect brain cells from damage. You can add ground cloves to your baked goods, sprinkle a pinch into your coffee or tea, or use whole cloves in savory dishes like stews and curries. Clove oil can also be used in aromatherapy to boost cognitive function and reduce stress. Number 2. Holy basil. At number 2, we have holy basil, also known as tulsi. This revered herb in traditional medicine is celebrated for its profound health benefits, particularly its impact on brain health. Holy basil is an adaptogen, which means it helps the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Holy basil contains compounds like eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and apigenin, which have been shown to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, key contributors to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. These compounds also enhance cognitive function and memory by improving blood circulation to the brain and promoting neurotransmitter activity. You can enjoy it as a tea by steeping fresh or dried leaves in hot water, or add it to your salads and dishes for a fresh, peppery flavor. Holy basil supplements are also available if you prefer a more concentrated dose. Number 1. Saffron. And finally, our top brain-boosting spice is saffron. This precious spice, known for its vibrant color and distinct flavor, has been shown to have remarkable effects on mood and cognitive function. Saffron contains potent antioxidants such as crocin and safranal, which help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Research indicates that saffron can improve memory and cognitive performance by enhancing the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in mood regulation and mental clarity. Additionally, saffron has been found to reduce symptoms of Alzheimer's and depression, making it a valuable spice for mental health. Incorporating saffron into your diet is a luxurious yet simple process. You can add a few strands of saffron to warm milk, brew it into tea, or use it in cooking to enhance the flavor of your dishes. Saffron pairs wonderfully with rice, stews, and even desserts, adding both a unique taste and health benefits. By making saffron a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy its incredible brain-boosting properties while indulging in its rich and aromatic flavor. Number 1. Vitamin B12, the memory protector. Vitamin B12, often referred to as the memory vitamin, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your brain and nervous system. It's essential for the production of DNA and red blood cells, but when it comes to cognitive function, B12 truly shines. This vitamin is vital for the formation of myelin, the protective sheath around nerves, which allows for efficient communication between brain cells. Without adequate B12, these nerve cells can become damaged, leading to memory lapses, confusion, and even symptoms that resemble dementia. Lack of these vitamins can cause dementia. As we age, our bodies naturally become less efficient at absorbing B12 from food. This is due to a decrease in stomach acid production, B12 from the protein in food. As a result, B12 deficiency is particularly common in older adults. What's alarming is that a deficiency in B12 can mimic the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. This means that someone could be misdiagnosed with a cognitive disorder when they are actually suffering from a reversible condition caused by low B12 levels. To prevent B12 deficiency, it's important to regularly consume foods rich in this nutrient. Animal products such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy are excellent sources. For those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, fortified foods like cereals and plant-based milks, as well as B12 supplements, can help meet daily requirements. Regular blood tests can help monitor your B12 levels, ensuring you take action before deficiency impacts your cognitive health. Number 2. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, plays an essential role in many aspects of health, including bone strength, immune function, and, crucially, brain health. Unlike most vitamins, vitamin D functions more like a hormone, influencing numerous processes in the body, including those related to cognitive function. This nutrient is vital for brain health because it helps regulate calcium, which is necessary for proper nerve signaling and neurotransmitter production. Research has shown that adequate levels of vitamin D are linked to a lower risk of cognitive decline, dementia, and Alzheimer's disease. Notes one of the most unique aspects of vitamin D is how our bodies obtain it. While some of it comes from food, the majority is synthesized in the skin through exposure to sunlight. However, as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at this process. Additionally, factors like living in northern latitudes, spending a lot of time indoors, using sunscreen, or having darker skin can significantly reduce vitamin D production. This makes older adults particularly susceptible to vitamin D deficiency, which has been associated with an increased risk of developing dementia and other cognitive impairments. To maintain optimal brain health, it's important to ensure sufficient vitamin D levels. While moderate sun exposure is a good way to boost vitamin D, it's not always feasible or safe for everyone, especially those at risk of skin cancer. Fortunately, there are dietary sources of vitamin D that can help. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, and mushrooms exposed to UV light are all good options. However, it can be challenging to get enough vitamin D from food alone, especially for older adults. For many people, a vitamin D supplement may be necessary to meet daily requirements, especially during the winter months or for those who have limited sun exposure. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage, as too much vitamin D can also have adverse effects. Number 3. Magnesium, the overlooked mineral. Magnesium is often an underappreciated player in the realm of brain health, yet it is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, many of which are critical for proper cognitive function. This essential mineral is a key component in energy production, protein synthesis, and the regulation of blood pressure. But when it comes to the brain, magnesium's role becomes even more crucial. It helps regulate neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals throughout the nervous system, and plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health of synapses, the connections between neurons that facilitate communication within the brain. Research has shown that higher magnesium intake is associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline and dementia, especially in women. One of the reasons for this is magnesium's ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, both of which are significant contributors to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, magnesium helps regulate calcium influx into cells, which is vital for preventing neurotoxicity and maintaining healthy brain function. Despite its importance, many people don't get enough magnesium in their diets. It's estimated that up to 80% of Americans may be deficient in this crucial mineral, which could have serious implications for brain health. Symptoms of magnesium deficiency can include headaches, muscle cramps, fatigue, and even mood disorders like anxiety and depression, all of which can further impact cognitive function. To boost your magnesium intake, focus on incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet. Leafy greens such as spinach and Swiss chard, nuts and seeds, particularly pumpkin seeds, whole grains, legumes, and even dark chocolate are excellent sources. For those who find it challenging to get enough magnesium through diet alone, supplements are an option, but it's important to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the right form and dosage. Number 4. Boron and selenium, the brain's unsung heroes. When we think about nutrients essential for brain health, vitamins like B12 and D often take the spotlight. However, trace minerals like boron and selenium, though lesser known, play critical roles in maintaining cognitive function and protecting against cognitive decline. These unsung heroes are often overlooked, yet their impact on brain health is profound. Boron is a trace mineral that significantly influences brain function, although it's not as widely discussed as other nutrients. Research has shown that boron is involved in the regulation of brainwave activity and is crucial for cognitive processes such as memory, attention, and hand-eye coordination. Low levels of boron have been linked to poorer performance on tasks requiring these cognitive skills, suggesting that even slight deficiencies can have noticeable effects on mental clarity and focus. Boron is naturally found in a variety of foods, making it relatively easy to include in your diet. Fruits like apples, pears, Oranges and grapes are good sources, as are nuts like almonds and walnuts, and legumes such as beans and lentils. Ensuring a consistent intake of boron-rich foods can help maintain sharp cognitive function as you age. Selenium is another trace mineral that plays a crucial role in brain health, primarily through its powerful antioxidant properties. Selenium helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, two key factors in the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies have shown that low selenium levels are associated with cognitive decline in older adults, highlighting the importance of this mineral in maintaining mental sharpness. One of the best sources of selenium is Brazil nuts. Just one nut provides more than 100% of the daily recommended intake, making it an incredibly efficient source. Other good sources include seafood like tuna, halibut, and sardines, as well as poultry, eggs, and shiitake mushrooms. While severe selenium deficiency is rare, ensuring you get enough through diet is essential for long-term brain health. Incorporating foods rich in boron and selenium into your daily diet is a simple yet powerful way to support your brain's health and reduce the risk of cognitive